Hi, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side money and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Oh yeah.
Hit it! Welcome to Inside Your Hustle. You could turn your side hustles into your main hustle. Some of you might like AI, and some of you might not. I understand it's new, it's different. But regardless of how you feel, AI is here to stay. So let me help you get paid with AI. Today we're diving in deep into 2 hot AI tools that every hustler should have in their money-making toolkit. Starting off with none other than Kyber. For those visual storytellers out there, Kyber is your best friend. This AI tool takes your content, ideas, and transforms them into professional-grade videos. No editing skills required. Wow. Now we're on Kaiber. Look at this. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at the watercolor art. Look at this. This is AI generated. This is amazing artwork. I'm telling you, you can get paid doing art like this. And you can sell this for thousands and thousands of dollars. And you can even upload your songs. They do animation. Look at the flipbook style and the motion style. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. This is amazing. And you can even advertise on Fiverr that you do this. This is awesome. I'm telling you, they are making music videos. They made a music video for Linkin Park and Kid Cudi. Come on. You can make a music video. What are you waiting for? All right. I love this. So now I'm going to put in a picture of myself. And let's see if I put in the correct prompts, what Kyber can do for me. Now, I want a watercolor picture of myself. There you go. Boom. You see what I'm saying? And I want to create like a video of a woman, you know, sitting. I want that same picture, but I want it like in a watercolor style painting. Because if it comes out right, I want to hang this up on in my office. So let's see. So now it's generating a preview for me to see. Now let's see, because I asked for a watercolor. I want it to look like somebody painted me. So you guys can have people send pictures to you and do different styles of art to the picture and sell it. Because if this comes out nice, I'm having this frame and I'm putting this in my office. This is the original piece that I had put in. This was the photo that I put into the AI generated Kyber, and let me show you what it gave me. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. So it gave me like different photos to choose from. It gave me another one, and it gave me another one. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh my goodness. This is a masterpiece. Let me tell you, I would pay at least $500 or more for this. This looks like a watercolor, like somebody actually painted this. You can do this. You can have somebody send you pictures and then you put it through the generator and have it generate a masterpiece. A watercolor, there's different finishes, different touches, realism. There's different ways you can do this. And you can sell these for like $500. Have a beautiful frame, have it matte frame. I'm telling you, you can make some serious money doing this. And I'm framing this one and I'm putting this in my office. So thank you, Kaiber. Next up, Soundraw. Music creators, we haven't forgotten you. Soundraw lets you create music tracks tailored to your needs. Whether you're making a podcast intro, background score for your videos, or just a beat to vibe with, Soundraw delivers. This AI tool delivers high-quality, royalty-free, customizable AI-produced music for you to use for whatever project you want, such as your YouTube videos, your demo tape, or even your Twitch stream. All right, now we're on Soundraw. Welcome to the AI music generation. Wow, look at this. All these different genres. Oh my goodness. This is where you create the music. Wow. Look at this. Oh, I want Tokyo Night Pop. I want to see how that sounds. I'm interested in this. Okay. No matter how you do it, you can make some money. All right. I see it. All right. Tokyo. Let's see how this sounds. Oh, you have like the low, medium, very high. I'm going to try all of them. Let's see. Okay. I'm ready. Let's try this. All right. Oh, I'm loving this. Listen to this low. Okay. All right. I want to try some medium. All right. I'm feeling this now. Now you getting into it now. All right, I'm getting into this. I need a little high, very high. Okay, oh. Okay, now this is a real beat. Hey, I'm feeling this. I can use this for my YouTube channel. What? Let me hear very high. Okay. I'm loving this. This could be behind me in my music. Oh my God, I could use this. This is gonna be one of my songs I'm using for YouTube now. What? I love this. You can make money from this. What are you waiting for? Come on, get on Soundraw so you can make these beats for people. Oh my goodness. Got me dancing. I'm about to use this one. All right, thank you, Soundraw. In the digital age, being a hustler is all about leveraging the right tools. And with these top AI tools, you're not just keeping up with the times, you're staying ahead of them. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.